Hey guys, I'm back. I did a homeschool haul video the other day, and I had talked about getting this Space Science, The Wonders of the Universe unit study for grades K through 6 from The Good and the Beautiful. So I wanted to go ahead and do my first impressions of this curriculum. So in order to keep this video short, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So as you can see, it comes wrapped in plastic when you first purchase it. I got this unit study at the beginning of the school year. So the prices that I'm going to give you now is not the prices that that I paid for when I got this unit study. For some reason, the pricing now seems a little bit higher than when I purchased it. I tried to find the receipt, but I couldn't find it. But I definitely know that I didn't pay what the website says that it costs. So if you were to purchase this at print at home PDF, it would be $15, and basically what that means is you would get a digital download, and then you would make printouts as you would see fit. What I got was the printed unit shipped to me, plus you also get a PDF download. Now the current price on that is $24.99, and I typed in my address, and the shipping would be $3.67 as well to be shipped to my home. I definitely know that I did not pay that price because I wouldn't have paid $28 for a unit study. So but that's the current rate right now. I know I got this on sale, but like I said, I don't remember what I paid for it, but I do believe that I had gotten free shipping, and I definitely wasn't $24.99. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And I went ahead and tore this off so you wouldn't be stuck here watching me fumble with the scissors. So okay, so that's the cover, and it's like a glossy type paper. It's really nice. And so here you get the table of contents. And I believe, yeah, you get 16 lessons in this unit study. And it appears that all the pages are that glossy type paper. So I think it's going to be a little difficult to be able to write on this, especially the fact that I have trouble writing on stickers that are glossy. So I don't think I'll be writing on this directly. But the unit information is your science journal, your science wall, lesson mini books, lesson preparation, teaching older children, and versions. And this version is the original version of the unit released in June of 2017. And this is also by Jenny Phillips, if you're not familiar with The Good and the Beautiful. And I apologize for the glare. It's kind of dark in this area, so I turned on the overhead light, and it's kind of reflecting off the paper because it is glossy. And so on this page here, you get the supplies needed for each lesson. And if you saw my homeschool haul, you saw that I had gotten those Latchmates from Michaels, and that was the reason why I had gotten them, because I knew that I was going to need supplies. So I'm trying to get ahead so that when we do a lesson, we already have the materials as much as we can. But looking on here, quite a few of the lessons you don't need any materials, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then stuff like a pillow or milk, you know, we'll just get that when we need it. We don't need to put it aside. And then here are notes about the unit, and there are field trip ideas, worldview, read aloud recommendations, and videos. And then here you have your vocabulary, and on the instructions it says cut out the boxes in this section, place them on your science wall as you discuss the vocabulary words. The course will direct you when to place them on the wall. And so that's what you get there. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing because then this video would be super long. But I can say that the pictures are really gorgeous. And being on the glossy paper, they're so vibrant. And here you got planet cards, and you're supposed to cut those out as well. And here are the lessons. And here are the boxes, so when you're done, you'll put like a check mark. And I think I'm just going to use stickers. Because like I said, this is really glossy paper. And I don't like writing on glossy paper, especially with pins, because then it smears and it gets messy. And that's what you have there. And but I'm not going to show you all the lessons. But I do have to say that I'm going to show you this. I do have to say that the pictures are really nice. And so what I'm going to plan on doing with this is taking it over to Staples, like I did my science sassafras logbook for Matthew, and have it spiral bound. And after we do the unit study, I'll do a review on our unit study. Well, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything together, because this isn't the only thing that we're going to use for our unit study. I have other things, so I'm going to show you all the stuff that I'm going to use for this unit study, and then I'll show you the spiral bound of this unit study and how I put it together. And when I had that spiral bound, the sassafras logbook, I think it was $5. So that's why I said at the beginning of this video, I don't believe I paid $24.99, because it's kind of pricey on a unit study, and I definitely wouldn't have paid that much for it. So I know I must have gotten either a coupon code or there was a sale going on, because that would be the only way I could be able to afford to have this spiral bound on top of that. Because if you add in the cost of shipping and the unit study regular price, that's almost close to going on $40, and I definitely wouldn't be spending that on a unit study. So just keep that in mind, and wait. If you decide that you're going to get this, wait to see if you can get a coupon code, or if you when they have a sale. And I'm not very familiar with the Good and the Beautiful. I do know that I looked into their language arts, and it wasn't something that would be would benefit us in our homeschool, just because of the way I'm teaching Matthew. So but I've seen quite a few people use this one, so I figured we'd give it a try. And like I said, I got this at the beginning of the homeschool, and this is our first year of homeschool, so I'm not really familiar of what fits for our family yet. You know, this is just something that I saw, I liked it, and I purchased it, and thought that maybe we should try it. But like I said, the pictures in here are really nice. So I'm going to have to go through this and separate it, because I know that you don't spiral bound the whole unit study, because you have to cut these up, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but here there's a line where you're supposed to cut that in half. And I think this is the mini lessons part of the, yes, this is one of the stories for the mini lessons. Yeah, it says, read the mini book, Once Upon a Starry Night, the story of astronomy included in the lesson. So here's one of the books that I would have to cut and put together. And I'm not going to spiral bound these little books. I'll probably just put them in a little notebook or something for Matthew and staple them. And here we're on lesson 12. And there's quite a bit of stuff that he would have to do. Like on this part here, it says, I'm pretty sure here he would have to write something. I probably would just copy this and have him write on regular printer paper, because all the pages in here are that glossy coat to it. So I think it would make it very difficult for him to write on that as well. And here are history travel cards and history of space travel timeline key. And I will let you know when I do that unit study overview of what we're going to use, how I put this together, and what I decided to spiral bound. And I think I'm going to have to work on this tonight because I think I'm headed into town to drop off some Goodwill stuff, so I'm going to have to do that soon, so I can not have to take too many trips. So this is the last part of the units study, and here's the optional activity, which looks kind of neat. If you guys are aware, there was a blood moon the other day, or a lunar eclipse. I'm kind of confused. Some people are saying it was a blood moon, some people are saying the lunar eclipse, but we weren't able to see anything because we had an overcast and there was so many clouds in the sky that we couldn't really see anything, so we missed that. But we saw some pictures that other people took online, and it was pretty neat. But that is a quick flip through of the Space Science, The Wonders of the Universe unit study for grades K through 6 from The Good and the Beautiful by Jenny Phillips. Like I said, I will be doing another video to show you all the things that we're going to use and how I put all the materials in the latchmate, and just to get ready for this. We'll probably start this in February. Yeah, we'll probably start this in February. It gives me a little time to put everything together, get all our materials together, check out some books from the library as well. But if you guys find this useful and helpful for you guys in your homeschool, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you next time. Bye.